Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the sample paper from Silverzone exams that we have, and we are here with our latest paper that is from the year 2020. Okay, all of you. So over here, next moving on to number 14. Number 14, if you just check, drum 1 contains 8 kgs 500. This is drum 1. This contains wheat equals to 8 kilo 500 grams. Next, drum 2 contains 11 kg 800 grams. And these two, if you just add them up, 11 and 800, and this is 8 kg 500. If you just add this kg and grams, this is 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 carry 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10, 0 carry 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So basically you have 20 kg 300 grams. That's option C. Okay. Next, number 15. Suzanne has a 3 meter 35 centimeter long rope and Garima has 4 meter 65 centimeter. What is the total length? Simply add them up. If you add them up, 4 meter 65, 4 meter 65 centimeter and 3 meter 35 centimeter. If you just add them up, this is 5 plus 5, 10, 0 carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1, 8. So it's basically 8 meters as our answer. Okay, where do you have 8 meter? Option A. That's my answer. Next, moving to number 16. Which one of the following is not a ray? Not a ray. Ray means one which has a beginning point but has no fixed length. It can keep moving till infinity. Okay. So it has a starting point but no end point. That's a ray. So let's go with the option CP. CP. This is a ray. AB. A starts here and has an arrow. This is also a ray. DE starts here, has an arrow. This is also a ray. So what is left? CA. This is definitely not an ray. See, C and A both has this has a fixed length. Okay, so this is not a ray, this is a line segment. Hence CA, option D, that's my answer. Next, number 17. Which one of the following triangle is neither isosceles nor equilateral? Isosceles means two sides equal and equilateral means all three sides equal. So if you just check 1, 5.5, 5.5, 5.5, all equal, this is equilateral. This one 5.5, 5.5, 6.5, two sides same, hence this is isosceles. This one 5.5, 6.5, 6.5, again two sides same, this is also isosceles. And this one 5, 5.5, 6.5, all different, hence this is a scalene triangle, or we can say neither isosceles nor equilateral, hence option D, that's our answer. Okay, all of you. Moving on to number 18. In a school's canteen, the number of ice creams sold during the first 6 months, January to June, is given. This is a pictograph, and over here the key is each ice cream cone represents 10 ice creams. Okay, so how many ice creams were sold in the first 4 months? First 4 months, how many such pictures do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. First 4 months, total 15 such pictures are here, and each picture represents 10. So 15 multiplied to 10, that gives you 150, option B. Hence, we can say in first 4 months of the year, 150 ice creams were sold. Okay, everyone? Next, number 19. How many line segments are required to draw this figure? Line segments, simply count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Line segments can be straight, sleeping line, standing line, slanting line, anything. All lines come under this, okay? So 9 lines, hence option B, 9 line segments are required to draw this figure. Got it? Next, number 20. The given figure bar graph represents the time taken by 5 competitors to run a 250 meters race. Who completed the race before Amar? This is Amar. before Amar shall be less than this, but after Ali, this is Ali. So anything that comes between this two, this is equals to this, Arun cannot be possible. This is Rahul less than Ali. So this is also not the answer. This one, if you check, this is more than Ali, okay, but less than Amar. Hence, Mohit, that's the answer. So Mohit, option C is my answer. With this, we finish mathematics. Now moving on to the second section of our paper, that is reasoning and aptitude. Over here, the first question is, which one of the following will replace the question mark? If you just check this, you just need to derive a pattern over here. If you just derive a pattern here, you will see there is a pattern over here. What is the pattern? 3 multiplied to 1 plus 2. Over here you are adding, and over here you are multiplying. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 gives you 5. Next, 2 multiplied to 4 gives you 8 plus 5 gives you 13. Similarly, 7 twos are 14 plus 1, 15. So this should be 5 multiplied to 4 plus 3. That's 20 plus 3, 23. Where do you have 23? Option B. That's my answer. Okay. Next, number 2. Keeping in mind, 22, sorry. Keeping in mind the types of numbers, find the odd one out. 3 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 17 plus 2. If you check properly, these all are prime numbers. 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number. And all are added by 2. Okay. When you are adding them up, 3 plus 2 gives you 5. 5 is again a prime number. 7 plus 2, 9. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 is also a prime number. 5 is a prime number, but 9 is a composite number, not a prime number. And 17 plus 2, 19. This is also a prime number again. So basically, if you just check a prime number added to 2, giving you a prime number only. But in option B, when you are adding a prime number, that is 7 to 2, you are not getting a prime number, you are getting a composite number. Hence, this is the odd one out, option B. Okay, children. Next, number 23. How many triangles? You need to find the triangles. If you just take this one, this is one triangle, 1. This is another triangle, 2. This is one triangle, 3. This one, 4. And this one, 5. Okay. So you have any more triangles? No. Hence, 5 is the answer. That is again option D. Next, this is a figure which has one part missing. If you just complete this part, here one circle will be coming up shaded. One unshaded circle will be coming up, and this should be something like this. Extended line, and over here there will be a bar which will be shaded, correct? So just find the correct option to this. If you just check this one, you don't have lines over here. So this is not the answer. This one, the circle is shaded, not the answer. Over here, the corners are also shaded, not the answer. So you are left with option D, and that's my answer. Okay, the circle is there. Circle, unshaded circle is there. Over here, a bar shaded is there. And over here, the lines are also there. Okay, so option D, that's my answer. Next, last question for this section. Which one of the following fruits is in the southwest? This is north. This is south, this is east, already given, this is west. So southwest is in the between of south and west. And grapes. So that's my answer, option C. Okay, everyone. So now we'll come to the scholar zone from question number 26. What does question number 26 say? Question number 26 reads, the figure is made up of 4 identical squares. You need to find the perimeter of the whole thing, okay? If it is made up of 4 identical squares, that means they are of the same measurements. See, if we just check, if they are of the same measurements, if this whole thing is 22, that means this is 11 and this is 11 now. So 11, 11, this 11, That means the squares are of 11 centimeters side, right? So this is 11. This is also 11. This is also 11. This is 11. This is also 11. This is also 11, correct? This one complete. So this is also 11 that we'll be considering. Now this one, if you take only this part, you have to consider, right? If this part you have to consider, that is how much? This part is 6. For this, wait, just a second. Okay, let's take the square at the top. If you consider this square, this complete thing should be 11, na? This part is 6. That means what's this part? This part is only 5 centimeters. 11 minus 6, that's 5. So that means 5 centimeter is being eliminated here also, and obviously from this square also, the square. So if you eliminate 5 centimeter, if this is 6, this also has to be 6, correct? So 6 will be taken. So this 6 and this 6 will be coming into consideration. 5 centimeter will be eliminated in case of both the squares. Similarly, if this is 8, this also has to be 8, because the same portion is getting eliminated from both the squares now. So if this is 8, this part is 11 minus 8, that is 3 centimeters. Okay, so obviously for this square, the square below, if you consider this part 3 eliminated, so this is 11 minus 3 again, that gives you 8. Okay, now see, you have all the sides. If you all add up 11, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times, and this one 10 times. Okay, so 10 times 11 gives you 110 centimeter. Now 8 over here and 8 over here, that's 16. And 6 over here and 6 over here, 2 times 6 gives you 12. So when you add them up, 6 plus 2, 8, 1, 1, 1, 3, 138 centimeter. That's what you are getting, right? So that's my answer. So that's the perimeter of this complete whole figure, 138 centimeter, option B. Next, if you see, in this figure, 5 squares are shaded. How many more squares should be shaded so that the fraction represented by the unshaded part of the whole figure is 2/3? First, you need to count the total number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6, 18, plus 6, 24, plus 6, 30, plus 6, 36. Okay. So basically we have 36 squares. So 36 squares, if 2/3 has to remain unshaded, how many squares need to be unshaded? 2/3 of 36, that's 12 into 2, 24. Okay. So 24 unshaded, that means how many shaded? 36 minus 24, that's 12. 12 should be shaded. How many is already shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 are already shaded. So how many more do you need to shade? 12 minus 5, that's 7. Option B as my answer. Okay. Next, number 28. Read the statement given below and then match. Mukul has 80 toffees. He is giving 2/5 of these to his sister. 2/5 of 80 means 2/5 of 80 means 5, 16 times as 80, 16 into 2, 32. So number of toffees he gave to his sister, that's 32. Okay. After that, after giving this, of the remainder, he is giving 3/8. If 32 he is giving to his sister, 32 is giving to his sisters, then what remains? 80 minus 32, na? That's 48. Of this 48, 3/8 is given to his friend. So 3/8 of 48 is what? 8, 6 times 48. 6 into 3, 18. So how many toffees did he give to his friend? 18. That's option A. Next, difference between the number of toffees taken by Mukul's sister and Mukul's friend. Sister took 32, friend took 18. So when you subtract 32 and 18, obviously it cannot be 30. Only 30 and 14, these two options are left now. Obviously it cannot be 13, so 14, option D, that's our answer. You can obviously subtract and check. Okay. Option D, that's our answer. Lastly, 32 and 18 given away. So 32 and 18 given away, that means total how many given away? 50 given away. Total he had 80, 50 he gave away. So how many trophies left with Mukul? 30. Option C. So that's my answer. BADC. Fine enough. Next, when 196 is divided by an unknown number, you don't know which number is dividing 196. You're getting quotient as 39 and remainder as 1. So basically, if you multiply 39 and question mark and then add 1 to that, that gives you 196 now. That means what? 39 multiplied to question mark is equals to 196 minus 1, that's 195. So what is question mark? 195 divided by 39. If you just divide this, you'll get 5 as the answer. So that's my answer, option A, the very first option. Okay, all of you? Next, number 30, the last question. The question says if A is the greatest number among all the numbers written on the blackboard shown below, then find the difference of the greatest number and smallest number cannot be. Okay, let's just consider this one because they are very small. Okay, A is, according to the question, A is the greatest number. What's the smallest number among these? 13, right? If let's suppose A is not the greatest number, what's the second greatest number then? Leaving A, because we don't know A, so leaving A, what's the second greatest number? 62. If you subtract second greatest number, 62 and 13, you'll get 49. That means what? Obviously, when you're subtracting the greatest number and 13, that shall be more than 49, correct? So the difference can be more than 49. So if you check over here, 54 more than 49, quite possible. 75 also possible, 51 also possible. 48, is it possible? No, because 48 is less than 49. Hence, that's my answer, option D. That's all about the paper. Thank you.